Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Sailor University. With this tutorial video, you will learn to set up your shop on Google's Merchant Center and learn to make your catalog live for millions of Google users. You're going to start selling on Google Marketplace with Builderfly. To do so, go to the Grow section from your Builderfly dashboard and click to sell on social channel. Select Google from here. To start selling on Google Shopping, you need to link your Google Merchant account. If you don't have one, here are the steps you have to follow to create your account on Google Merchant Center. Follow the link shared in the description below to sign up for the Google Merchant Center, updating all your business information including name, country, and time zone. For checkout details, you can select on my website to let your buyers shop from your online store. You need not select the payment method as users will be navigating to your website and we have the payment gateways configured for swift and secure checkout. Now accept the terms and conditions and click on Create Account. You can choose to continue or finish other steps later. The code that you see here next to your Google Merchant Center account will be your account ID, which you need to update on your Builderfly Google Shopping section. Here, on the Merchant account, click on Continue to proceed further. On Show your products on Google for free, click Continue. Update your products and business information here. Add your website address and click Continue to save. Update your business address, business phone, and click Continue. Verify your website, select and add an HTML tag, copy the tag, and add it to the Domain Verification Meta section to configure your Builderfly store. Then click on Verify Website on the same page of your Google Merchant account. Claim your website by clicking on Claim Website. Click on Continue once your website is successfully claimed. Under the Program Settings, update your shipping policy and set up the shipping information and click Save. After these steps, click on Final Review. Your Google Merchant account is created. Now, to set up the entire process, you need to create your Google Cloud Console account. The link of the Google Cloud Console will be shared in the description section. Click on Select a project, scroll down, click Create New Project. Now, create your account on Google Cloud Console and follow the steps as shown. Under the API and Settings section, click on OAuth Consent Screen. Select External for the user type and click Create. Now provide the app name, user support email, authorized domain name, enter mybuilderfly.com or your specific domain. In the developer email, add support@builderfly.com here. Click on Save and Continue. In this, go to the credentials from here. Click on OAuth Client ID. Create OAuth Client ID. Under Application Type, select Web Application. Add name of the application. For authorized JavaScript origins URIs, add your website's URL, which can be either your storename.mybuilderfly.com or your storename.com. For the authorized redirect URIs, website URL with the following the shown path will be added. We have provided these links in the description part of the video. Click on Create. Once you complete this process, you will get the project client ID and project code that you need to integrate your Google Merchant account with Builderfly Store. Update the credentials here and click Save. Once you complete all the steps successfully, you can manually choose the products to add on Google Shopping. Publish the app and click Confirm to push to production for verification. Search for the Content Shopping API. Click Enable to make it live. Now you can select and add products to your Google Shopping store. You can enable AutoSync as well. Keep growing and thank you for watching.